Hey guys, this is Soumya. Hope you all are doing safe out there. You must be thinking that why am I here today, right? Yes, there is a reason. Yes, I would like to explain my lockdown experience, what myself and my family did in this lockdown. When we were just having a conversation, there was a thought process that why not we just do organic farming. In this thought process, when we observe the vegetables that we are buying from supermarket are being treated with chemical energy boosters and pesticide. So it is these kind of vegetables will not help in a long run when we just consider our health. So what happens with organic leafy vegetables? These leafy vegetables are rich with vitamins, fibers, which will help you to increase your immunity system. Since they are chemical free, these vegetables will help you in a long run. Initially, we started farming for our own consumption. Later, we thought of expanding this, and I want to show you all like what exactly we are doing right now. Come, let's go. I'm so excited to show you all how do we practice. Let's go. Well, this is the unit with greenhouse technology. When I say greenhouse technology, you must be thinking what it is, right? So this will help you to maintain the temperature and avoid from wind, dust and heavy rainfall. So these are the one which will help you in drip irrigation, and this will take care of the water system for entire period. So this, when I say entire period, it will take good 30 to 40 days to get your yield. So you can grow all the leafy vegetable in these trays. We will use this trays to grow all the leafy vegetables. Okay guys, now let's practice how do we farm organically. I'm going to be using this hand gloves because I'm going to use Desi Cow organic manure, which is odorless. Yeah, I can do this. I'm going to put this Desi Cow manure and I should be mixing it with the fertile soil. So you need to mix this Desi Cow manure with the fertile soil. The best part is this soil is from my brother-in-law's farm. We also have a Desi cattle farming. From there we get this organic cow manure. And we would be also supplying if anybody wants to purchase it from us. I think it is mixed well now. I'm gonna show you the seedling of red amaranth seed. All you have to do is, you just have to put it all over. After this, you need to mix well with the fertile soil and Desi Cow manure. So this is called as soft bedding. You don't have to worry about the watering because we have automatic climate water controller, which is part of this unit. And the watering will be taken for good 30 to 40 days until the yield comes. This unit is customizable. We have overall 9 trays and it could be scheduled according to your need. So at the moment we have mint, palak, green amaranth, methi and coriander. Since this is grown at your place, you can just cut before you start your cooking, and which will have the real taste, freshness and a good flavor. Over a period of time, we had our friends and neighbors checking out like what exactly we are doing, and even they wanted to see if they can even farm organically. Apart from this, we also educate people how to farm organically. So we have housewives who are very much interested in their children's diet, contacting to learn how to farm organically. We also have corporate employees approaching to buy these units. Since we are going to provide Desi Cow manure, So this will be very user friendly and cost effective. So if you want to purchase this organic farming unit, you can always contact us on this given details. We will be happy to help you. Thank you.